This video gives you a quick overview of the mini-VSAT Manager and the valuable network management tools that are available there. If you're a mini-VSAT broadband subscriber, you can access the mini-VSAT Manager over any internet connection. Just go to myKVH.com and log in. Your password is available from our Airtime Services department. First, let's explore the map page. The map page shows you your vessel's location based on the latest update. If you manage a fleet of vessels, it'll show you the locations of all your vessels. Click on a vessel icon to view the status of its VSAT system or systems. The antenna icon is color-coded. If it's green, the system is online. Yellow means the system just went offline, and red means it's been offline for up to 2 days. After 2 days, the vessel drops off the map. Under the icon, you'll find the satellite beam the antenna is using to pass data. To view the combined coverage area of all beams in the network, select the coverage map from the Settings menu. Select the HTS network KU band to view the HTS coverage area, which applies only to HTS series antennas. Or select Standard Network KU band to view the standard coverage area, which applies only to legacy V-series and IP series antennas. The additional C-band coverage area applies only to V11 models. You can customize the map in several other ways. For example, like other map applications, you can easily zoom in and out. You can overlay different views onto the map. You can use the ruler to calculate the estimated distance between any 2 points on the map. And you can pin the vessel status window, which is handy if you need to view the status of multiple vessels. Now let's take a quick look at the grid page. If your vessel has been offline for more than a couple days, this is where you'll find its status information. This page is also helpful to fleet managers, as it allows you to monitor the status of all your vessels at a glance. Or you can trim the list by choosing a group of vessels. You'll notice that vessels with an HTS system consume 3 rows of information. 1 row provides general information for the terminal, while the other 2 provide airtime plan and usage information for its high-speed and unlimited channels. Now it's time to leave the map and grid pages and dive deeper into a vessel's VSAT system. Select Details from the pop-up window, or click the Details button next to the vessel's name in the sidebar. The Vessel Details page provides complete data usage, status, and network information for the VSAT system. If the system is an HTS or IP series model, you can even change the system's network configuration and Wi-Fi settings, unless KVH has set up a custom configuration for your vessel. When you save changes here, they are applied to the ICM on the vessel within minutes, assuming the VSAT system is online. So before you make a change, be sure you understand the network implications and setup requirements. In addition, if you turn on the ICM's Wi-Fi, don't forget to protect it with a password. As you can see, you can easily open or close slices of information on this page, so you can simplify the screen as much as you like. Now let's scroll up to the Data Plan section. Here you can see the plan you're subscribed to, the maximum upload and download speeds you can expect under the plan, and the estimated amount of data your vessel has consumed during the current billing cycle. If your vessel has an HTS system, this information is provided for both the high-speed channel and the unlimited channel. But we'll stay with the high-speed channel since that's where usage is most important. Note the separate usage bars. This one indicates how much of your monthly allowance you have used, and this one how much you've gone beyond it. Please be aware that all usage estimates get refreshed just once per day, so it won't include the current day's usage. However, it still gives you a general idea of how you're doing. To view usage data in more detail, scroll down to the Application Reporting section. Here you can see each day's usage sorted by type of application. For example, you can see this vessel does a lot of real-time communication. That is, chat or calling apps like WhatsApp and Skype. The next largest percentage is basic web browsing. Then comes real-time entertainment, which is streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify. You can see that particular usage spiked on the 18th. Not only can you view the latest usage data, but you can also set up alerts to notify you whenever usage exceeds certain thresholds to help prevent surprises on your airtime bill. Just set your thresholds and add the email addresses or phone numbers of those you want to be notified. It's that simple. All triggered alerts are logged here on the web page as well. In addition to alerts, you can control your vessel's data usage by setting up crew data allocations. First, set the vessel's ICM to any network configuration that enforces user logins. Second, create allocation profiles that set the maximum amount of data a user can consume within a daily, weekly, or monthly period. Lastly, create a user login and assign one of your allocation profiles to every person on board your vessel. Anyone connecting to the high-speed or crew network will then need to enter their username and password to access the Internet. Once the user has consumed the data allotment for the current period, access is denied until the next period begins. Okay, before we close, we have one more feature to talk about: vessel tracking. You can get to the vessel track page at any time by clicking the Track button next to the vessel's name in the sidebar. This page shows the historical track and speed of your vessel. By default, you'll see the track for the past 5 hours. You'll also see the speed over the past hour. If you purchase premium tracking, you'll be able to view the track and speeds for any hour, day, week, or month within the last year. You'll also have access to position reports that you can save to a spreadsheet or database. This concludes our brief tour of the mini-VSAT Manager. To learn more about any of the features we touched upon, please check out the associated topic in the help.